Ah!
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
It's hot. Cut the garlic, cover it with foil, roast it in the oven. Peel some potatoes, put in a cold pot of water, and start boiling it until it becomes soft. Got some heavy cream, the skin of the lemon, rosemary, and let it simmer. Wash your carrots, cut them up.
Dang, they look like strawberry.
Cut them up like if I was Wolverine. Green beans, olive oil, Himalayan salt, black pepper, lemon pepper, and massage them. Happy ending. Get that New York steak, room temperature so it cooks evenly. Pat it dry, salt, pepper, high heat pan. All we need to do is sear it on each side. Don't cook it all the way because we're gonna put it in the oven. I like medium rare. Drain your potatoes, add butter, and smush it. Add half of your rosemary sauce, 1 scoop at a time. Season it. Mushrooms, henny. Saute that mushrooms, add some of your rosemary sauce, season it, cut your steak, plate it, make sure it looks nice, make it all fancy. Remember that garlic, plate that as well. And enjoy.
Oh my.
Jori, MEZUDA.